Keyboard shortcuts can really speed up your workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and assign keyboard shortcuts in Inkscape. The first thing you will have to do is open up a preference menu, which you can do simply by clicking Inkscape and click on Settings. I'm going to close this now to show you the second method. You can also click on this wrench icon, which you can find here on the arrow. Click on the arrow and the wrench icon is here. It can also be displayed in menu up here if your screen is a little wider. So let's click on a wrench, and as you can see, preference menu has opened up for us. I'm going to close this and show you the third method, which is a shortcut, Shift Command P for Mac user or Shift Control P for PC user. I'm a Mac user, so I'm going to click Shift Command P, and as you can see, the preference window has opened up for me. Simply go to Interface, then click on Keyboard, and on the right, you're going to have a list of available actions and their shortcuts. Okay, so for example, dialog, these are the shortcuts for the dialog. Canvas, these are the shortcuts for Canvas. Now, if you have a problem located this word keyboard, you don't see it somewhere, I'm going to select this to show you. Just simply go to a search bar here and type keyboard. And there it is. There is keyboard. Now I'm going to show you how to find a shortcut. Once you're in the preference menu, go to Interface, click on Keyboard, go right to the search bar, which is right here. Make sure you're under Shortcuts, and type in the name of the shortcut you're looking for. For example, you're trying to find a shortcut to group objects together. So you type in Group, and if you scroll down, Group is right here, and these are the shortcuts to group objects together. Now you're looking, for example, for another shortcut. Let's say Rotate, and these are the shortcuts to rotate the objects. Now I'm going to show you how to create your own shortcut. Let's say you want to assign a shortcut to a command called Put on Path. Go to Search, type in the command name, Put on Path, and it's already listed here. To assign shortcut, simply click on Put on Path, make sure it's highlighted, and then double click on it. Now this text, New Accelerator, shows up. This tells you that now you can add shortcut. So let me add shortcut called Command H, and as you can see, now the shortcut has been assigned to this action. If you change your mind and you want to get rid of the shortcut, simply click on Reset on the bottom here, and that will delete the shortcut. I'm going to assign this shortcut back to my action so that way I can show you how it works. So once it's highlighted, double click, and I'm going to assign Command H. Okay, and I'm going to close the preferences now. Now let's see if the shortcut is working. To do this, I'm going to click on the ellipse tool, which is on the left side here. I'm going to click on it, and then while I'm holding a Shift button, click and drag. That will create a perfect circle. While the circle is selected, I'm going to click Shift, open Preference, and apply my shortcut, which is Command H. As you can see, the shortcut is working. Also, to see if the shortcut has been assigned, you can simply go to Text, and as you can see, Put on Path has a shortcut next to it, the one that I just assigned. But now, let's say you wanted to change the shortcut that you just assigned. So how to do this? You can simply go to Inkscape, Setting, then go to your Put on Path shortcut. Okay, and as you can see, it's listed here. You click on it, and to make sure it's highlighted, and then click on it again, and now you can assign a new shortcut. So let's say I'm going to do Command T, and now Command T is going to work as a shortcut in this particular action. How do I know whether I assigned the shortcut or whether Inkscape has assigned shortcut? To find out, simply look at the shortcut, whether it's in bold or not. So for example, this shortcut was assigned by me and it's in bold. This shortcut has been assigned by Inkscape and it's not in bold. You want to change shortcuts that are already assigned in Inkscape to a different software, you can do that. Simply go to Inkscape, Settings, so open Preferences, and look at the top, Keyboard File. By default, you probably have an Inkscape default, but you can change it to, for example, Adobe Illustrator, and now shortcuts from Adobe are going to work in Inkscape. And this is all for this video. I hope that this video will help you find and assign shortcuts in Inkscape and make your design much easier. Thank you so much for watching.